Welcome back. If you've ever looked at the massive digital economy and thought, man, I am completely on the outside looking in here, well, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're going through the 2026 Zero to Skill Digital Entrepreneur Roadmap. We're pulling this directly from a really incredible guide that gives you a totally realistic, step-by-step path to building an online income from absolute scratch. No overnight riches, no magic buttons, just a clear, solid progression. So grab a coffee and get comfortable because we're going to break down exactly how to take absolute zero and turn it into a thriving digital skill set.
Right off the bat, we got to address the elephant in the room. What if you literally have no money to invest, no professional skills to fall back on, and definitely no social media audience just waiting to buy your stuff? It's tough, right? If it's just you, a laptop, and an empty bank account, breaking in can feel, well, totally impossible. It triggers every insecurity we have about starting. But here's the absolute most important truth of this entire explainer. Every single successful digital entrepreneur out there, they started exactly here, at zero. Having a blank slate isn't a disadvantage, actually. It's just the starting line.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is the clear, manageable roadmap we'll be ascending today. We'll start with starting from absolute zero, then move into mastering one valuable skill, using your free AI assistant, and building and offering services. Finally, we'll wrap up with a 90-day action plan and the common pitfalls to avoid. Let's get to it. Part 1, starting from absolute zero and building the foundation. So the single biggest mistake beginners make in this space is hunting for shortcuts. We see it literally all the time. People want to skip straight to the finish line, but they don't want to run the race. Honestly, your very first goal isn't even to make money. Your first goal is simply to become useful. True, lasting value in the digital economy is built sequentially. Think of it like a staircase. Notice what's at the very top, earn. You can't just jump from the ground floor straight up to earn. You're going to fall flat on your face. It takes consistent daily effort, not overnight luck. You learn the theory, you practice until your hands know it by heart, you create something tangible, you improve it based on real feedback, and then, only then, do you actually have something worth paying for. Moving to part 2, master one valuable skill. Focus over everything. Now, what's really interesting here is the sheer variety of highly accessible digital skills you can start practicing right this second. When you're starting from zero, it is incredibly tempting to try and learn 5 things at once so you can offer more, right? Don't do it. That is a fast track to burnout. Starting out requires intense laser-like focus. Pick just one core competency and dedicate yourself to it for at least a solid month. Whether that's AI prompting, copywriting, graphic design, video editing, throwing together simple websites, digital marketing, or even some basic coding. None of these require a 4-year university degree. You can open up the software today and just begin. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. What matters is that you pick one, ignore all the noise, and stick with it. Part 3, your free AI assistant and working smarter. You know, the role of technology in this journey just can't be overstated. Free AI tools can absolutely turbocharge your workflow. They help you brainstorm angles, research complex stuff in seconds, draft outlines or code snippets, things that would have taken you hours manually just a couple of years ago. But there's a huge catch in how you use them. On one hand, you have a massive trap, using AI as a total replacement. This is basically lazily outsourcing your brain, just blindly copying the output without verifying it, which totally bypasses actually learning anything. Do that and you gain 0 real skills. But the professional approach? Using AI as an assistant. You use it to spark ideas or speed up repetitive tasks, but you absolutely retain your own critical thinking. You review, you edit, you improve the results. Basically, you manage the AI, it doesn't replace you. Part 4, build and offer services, proving your value. Okay, so this is where things get real. We're transitioning from just learning in our bedrooms to stepping out into the real world. But before you even think about looking for clients or asking for money, you have to tangibly demonstrate your new skills. You need a clean, professional online portfolio. And if you're sitting there thinking, well, what goes into a portfolio when I've literally never had a professional client? You make things up. Create sample blog articles for a fictional tech startup, design a pack of social media graphics for your local coffee shop, build a simple mock-up website, edit some short-form videos using free stock footage, or design a really slick presentation deck. These sample projects are exactly what showcase your abilities. Future clients don't care if you haven't worked professionally yet. They just want to see if you can do the work. Your portfolio is the proof. And once that portfolio is looking good and you're ready to start pitching small services to local businesses or online clients,
I want you to burn this single sentence into your brain. This perfectly distills the whole secret to client services. Solve real problems, communicate clearly, and exceed expectations. That is literally it. If a business needs more foot traffic and your graphic design gets them that traffic, boom, you solved a problem. If you answer their emails quickly and deliver the work a day early, you just exceeded expectations. You do this consistently, and I promise you will never be short of work.
Let's move to part 5 and see how this all builds. The 90-day action plan, your step-by-step timeline.
This takes everything we've just talked about, the mindset, the focus, the AI, the portfolios, and puts it into a super practical, chronological timeline for success. Let's methodically guide ourselves through this 3-month roadmap. Month 1, your only job is to learn that one chosen skill and do messy, beginner projects. Just keep your head down and learn. Month 2 is where things get a bit more serious. You start curating those projects, building that professional portfolio, actively asking for feedback, and improving your output. And then, month 3, you flip the switch. You actually start offering services and pitching clients, while continuing to learn, obviously. It's all about setting clear, manageable expectations so you make steady, sustainable progress. As you push through those 90 days, please remember this. Consistency matters so much more than perfection. Your early projects are going to be flawed. Actually, your first website mockup might look a little bit like a potato. And you know what? That is completely okay. Every single project you finish teaches you something brand new. Showing up every single day, having those daily learning sessions, that is what ultimately compounds into true expertise. Perfection is just the enemy of progress.
Finally, part 6, common pitfalls to avoid and navigating the traps. Look, while the path is straightforward, it definitely isn't always easy. There are warning signs that constantly derail eager beginners on this journey. You have to avoid those toxic shortcuts at all costs. Things like chasing get-rich-quick schemes, giving up after just a couple of days of trying, or, and this is a big one, buying incredibly pricey courses without ever actually sitting down to practice the skills. Instead, you've got to ground yourself in reality. Focus on sustainable progress over time. Focus on building trust with your eventual clients, and stick to consistent daily practice. Because at the end of the day, that is where the real growth happens.
To wrap up our explainer today, I really want to leave you with this beautifully simple truth from our source material. Every expert began as a beginner. Building an online income, it's a journey. It's not some overnight result. You do not need to start with money or experience or an audience. You literally just need curiosity and consistency. So I'll leave you with this question. The 90-day clock starts today. What skill will you choose to learn first? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I seriously can't wait to see what you build.